po sa paboritong programa ng bawat negosyanteng Pilipino. Ito ang Pinoy Swapping Barter Negosyo. At syempre ngayon naman, Papa Bart, Sir Bart. Ang dami natin ngayong guest nasa gitna natin.
Loaded tayo, no? Kasi napakaraming events, ang dami nating mga shows na inaatinan. Kanina lang, umaten ako ng sa Mega Mall.
Yes, at nabanggit
transport show.
Yes, Sir Bart. Nabanggit mo ang tungkol sa events. Kaya ngayon kasama natin si Sir Jonathan. Of course, kilala na ng mga viewers natin.
Regular na yan.
Yes, si Sir Jonathan, ang business manager of Proven. And of course, itong napakagandang binibini na nasa tabi at nasa gitna nating lahat. Diba? Si Miss Keisha Fraser, model of Proven Auto Specialist.
Tsaka,
welcome po.
Meron pa. Baka gusto mong ipakilala.
Oo, pero kasi mamaya natin siya makakachikahan. Pero sige, sabihin na natin ang ating isa din sa mga importanteng guest for today, si Mr. Angel Vivas Jr. Siya po ang Managing Editor of Real Estate World Magazine and Chief Officer Media Central and Multimedia Company.
Wow, bibigat ng mga guest natin. Magmula pa ng umpisa.
Yes, at nag-brain hemorrhage na ako. Pero before yan, syempre kakausapin muna natin ang ating unang guest kasi balita ko Papa Bart. Balita ko madaming events ngayon ang Proven. Kaya ngayon tatanungin po muna natin. Maya-maya po ang events. Gusto lang namin na alamin kung ano-ano po ba ang mga branches ng Proven kasi ang dami na nagte-text sa atin at tumatawag kung saan-saan ba makikita ang Proven. Okay, Sir Jonathan, saan-saan po ba ang mga branches ng Proven?
Meron kami company-owned which is in Krame. Newly open in Marikina.
Wow, bago.
Yeah, bago lang to.
Malamang, newly nga.
Saan yung sa Marikina natin, John?
Malapit to dun sa... malapit dun sa may sport complex.
Anong street yun? Guerrilla Street.
Guerrilla Street,
I think, napadaan kasi ako doon eh.
So, nakita mo pala yung...
nakita ko yun. Sa likod ng Markinton condominium. Okay.
Wow. Okay.
So, puntahan nila yun. So, open.
Marami kasi nagtatanong, John, tungkol sa Proven. Open for franchise daw kayo, di ba?
Yes, open for franchise kami. Actually, meron na kaming soon magbubukas, nag-sign na yun sa Bacolod.
Sa Bacolod,
magkakaroon kami. So, yung mga nasa Bacolod ngayon, so expect yun na magkakaroon ng Proven in Bacolod.
Wow. Medyo tatanungin na natin na nasa gitna ng ating mga upuan, si Miss Kish. Miss Kisha, matagal na po ba kayo nagmo-model for Proven? Or sa mga auto shows?
Ano ba masasabi mo, Kisha, about
Proven?
I'm really excited to be a part of Proven.
Why?
I like cars, so anything to do with cars, okay sa akin. Yes.
Okay.
So, meron ka bang masasabi about Proven?
Yes.
Ano?
Proven is proven.
Yan talaga yung pinakamatinding informasyon na nakuha ko ngayong araw ito. Pero, ayan po, I'm giving you the chance po, Sir Jonathan, to invite everyone, especially sa mga events po ng Proven, mga upcoming events po ng Proven.
I-invite ko lahat na pumunta pa hanggang ngayon. So, hanggang Sunday pa po yun sa transport show sa Mega Mall. So, may display po kami doon.
Yes.
And I'd like to thank Star Bright, Custom Body Kits, and Fabulous for tie-ups namin doon. So, may kita nyo yung magagandang cars doon na ginawa namin. And then, aside from that, yung mga nanalo sa amin naman drivers.
Yes.
So, we like to congratulate yung si Noriel Lopez, si Alex Bautista.
Congratulations.
They won in their category as first.
Ayan! Maraming salamat, Sir Jonathan, na alam ko namang makakasama pa natin na matagal-tagal pa dito.
Yes. Next week, nandito na naman yan.
Yes. Thank you, Sir Jonathan and Ma'am Keisha.
Tsaka sabihin ako kung sinong gusto mag-franchise, pumunta lang kayo sa website ng Proven, www.proven.net. Okay? Yeah. Send a letter of intent muna.
Okay.
Very
Pero
simple.
ayan nga, dahil matagal-tagal pa nating makakasama ang Proven, ngayon naman po, bigyan natin ng pagkakataon ang isang napakagwapo din nating guest na si Mr. Angel Vivas Jr.
Hulog ng langit.
Yes.
Alam bakit? Angel eh.
Oo nga, hulog ng langit. Good morning, Sir Angel.
Hi, good morning.
Yes, Sir Angel is from Real Estate World Magazine and Chief Officer Media Central and Multimedia Company. Sir, we would like to ask, ano po, tungkol saan po ba ang inyong business?
Well, Media Central is a multimedia company specializing in publications. We publish magazine. We publish newspaper. We are giving it them for free.
Wow.
Sa mga condo owners sa Makati area, lahat ng mga condo owners, we give the Condo Express. It's information about the community. It's a community news. Kaya lang, mas maraming advertisement kaysa sa news. Dahil yung mga community business really wanted to put up their advertisement dun sa newspaper because direkta kami dun sa mga unit owners ng mga developers sa condominium. And then the real estate magazine, World Magazine naman, specializes on real estate industry. About then we put up feature articles about rules and regulations, about pag-ibig, about LRA. About how to mortgage, how to get a loan from Pag-ibig.
Very informative pala itong
Ang dami palang topic na pwede nating ma-invite pa si
Sa kapal ba
Sir
naman
dito?
ito, hindi ba magkakaroon ng ganong tips dito po sa Real World
Real Estate
Magazine?
World Magazine, yes.
So, sir, since it's for public relations po, di ba? And public relations, we know, kasi I'm a graduate of public relations.
Oo,
Yes,
talaga.
Bachelor of Science in Public Relations.
Wow.
And public relations, alam naman po natin, nagbi-build ito ng image ng bawat tao, ng mga
PR.
tao. Yes,
Image
PR.
building, yeah.
Image
Yes.
building.
Ano po ang ginagawa ng Real Estate World Magazine
Well,
sa mga businesses na nasa
Well,
pumapanood po
actually, Real Estate World Magazine is it's a department of Media Central. We have a publication department which is publishing the magazines and the newspapers, and we have also a public relations department which we cater to companies who would like to be built yung kanilang image sa public image building.
Tama. Opo.
We put a public relations program. We handle press releases,
Wow.
press conferences, media
Na-miss ko tuloy yung course
conferences.
ko.
And we also specializes on branding of product.
So, sir, if there are businesses na would like to come up with a press release or to come up with para mas gumanda ang kanilang image, pwede po bang lumapit sa inyong company?
Yes, definitely.
So parang napapansin mo, it's a total business package
Yes.
for PR,
Meron na silang magazine.
Yes, magazine,
And
print
through,
magazine.
Yeah, through print magazine is pwede din dun lumabas yung kanilang press release na ginawa for the company or for the business na lumapit po kay Sir Angel.
Yes,
Diba,
yes,
sir?
definitely, yeah.
How about TV po later?
Yes.
Television, as you are doing it right now, we would like to be a very good partner of barter negotiation.
Wow. 1 million
And,
question yun.
and at the same time, we would like to be involved in their business.
Yes.
Because notably, I have been engaged in this type of business when I was in the United States.
The barter exchange.
Yeah, sir, para din sa kaalaman ng lahat ng mga manonood, ang PR kasi dito sa Pilipinas, sir, medyo hindi kilala di ba, sir? Pero sa ibang bansa, meron po silang sariling mga talagang malalaking PR firms. Sa ibang, especially sa United States, sir, di ba?
Yes, definitely, yeah.
And dito po sa Pilipinas, napaka-onti po nang nakakaalam. Ako mismo, before ako nag-aral ng public relations, hindi ko alam kung ano po ba talaga ang PR.
Well, it's basically, mas alam nila yung advertising.
Yes,
instead
advertising,
of-
mass communications.
Yes, mass
Yes.
communication. But this PR is more on the softer part of commercial advertising.
Yes.
Because when you take up communications in the school, ang pinag-aaralan mo yung commercial advertising
Yes,
right
oo.
away, di ba? But in PR, unless you are on the favor of writing,
Yes.
gagawa ka ng mga articles, feature articles about the company, about the product, about the project, and instead of putting it into an advertisement, you put it up like a feature article. And now it is very, very famously known now as advertorial.
Yes.
Okay, yung mga PR articles, feature articles about a company, about the product, ang tawag doon ay advertorial na.
Advertorial. Sir, I would just like to ask if meron po ba kayong partners dito po sa magazine? Aside from, of course, ngayon, membro na po kayo ng Border Exchange or Pinoy Swapping Border Negosyo. Meron po ba kayong partners dito po sa ating magazine para to make it possible na ma-publish po sila?
Yes, actually, we normally do a partnership with the national broadsheets publications like Inquirer, like Bulletin, like Star. Whenever we put up event management, like an event,
Yes.
we see to it that we are in partners with all the media
Wow.
Okay.
So, yun nga po, 1 million questions, Sir Bart, kasi medyo onting-onti na lang talaga ang oras natin. 1 million question. Ano po bang ini-expect nyo as a member of Border Exchange Negosyo? Do you want anything po in return for the print ads po ng
Ano
inyong
po ang
company?
mga kailangan nyo para
Yes.
makipag-exchange sa other businesses na nanonood po sa atin ngayon?
Well, basically, advertising exchange is basically it involves any kind of product.
Yes.
Yeah. Maski na anong produkto na i-advertise mo sa print advertising
Of course.
can be exchanged with any kind of product.
So, bahala na po ang ating mga viewers kung nais nilang magpa-feature po sa kanilang magazine at kung ano pa ang kailangan nila or kaya nilang ipalit sa kapalit po ng press
It can
release po
be
sa loob ng
hotel,
magazine.
accommodation,
Yes.
printing, food, whatever. Pero pwede rin cars and properties.
Oo
Okay?
nga. Naku, as
ang
much
bilis.
as I wanted or we wanted to talk about Real Estate World Magazine, more pa, siguro baka pwede natin silang
Another
i-get ulit.
segment pa.
Yes.
Ang laking ang daming topic na pwede natin i-discuss. We will go to details na mayan later on.
Yes, kaya nga, sa susunod po makakasama po uli natin si Mr. Angel Vivas para po mas mapag-usapan po ang Real Estate World Magazine. Of course, the whole company po ni Mr. Angel Vivas. At ayan na nga, nakakalungkot mang isipin at sabihin, tapos na po ang ating guest. Sir Bart, do you have anything po na pasasalamatan?
Ito ho. May last announcement sa si Sir Vivas.
Yes, okay,
sige po.
Sir
Ano po
Vivas.
yung
Right now, starting tonight, we have a show going on at Resorts World.
Pasay.
Yung Mother Africa. They are imported performers from Australia and mother country Africa. It will be shown at at 8 p.m. from April 19 to 22. And then so we invite people to come and see the show. And at the same time, I would like to announce that we will have an event on May 31. It is called the first social media conference.
Wow.
Marketing conference. Yeah. So we are inviting
Parang
all
gusto ko dun,
companies to attend our media conference, social media, the development, the evolution of marketing from the traditional up to the usage of social media.
Kasama po ang barter dyan.
Kasama po yan, syempre, ang RH
Ang
TV
sponsor
kasama
po
rin
nitong
dyan.
social media conference, ang co-sponsor po is ang barter exchange company ni
Yes.
Bart Abaya.
Isa ako sa mga
At kung
speaker
nais,
niya.
of course, at kung nais
Social
talagang
media
mas
conference,
makilala pa yan, Sir Angel, syempre isasama nyo dyan ang RH TV at syempre ako.
Definitely.
Ayan, iniimbitahan po namin kayo sa May 31 na po yan, ang Social Media Conference Philippines. Diyan po sa May, again, sir?
Well, the venue is not yet set. Maybe at the end of this week.
Tentative pa lang po ang ating place. Pero ayan na nga po, sobrang ubos na po talaga ang oras natin. Kaya siguro i-invite na lang natin next time itong si Sir Angel para mas matutukan pa natin ang kanyang social media
conference.
Yes.
Didiscuss ko rin yan later.
Yes. Ayan, maraming salamat sa ating mga guests, especially po kaya Sir Jonathan, kaya Ma'am Kisha, and of course, ang magbabalik sa susunod na episode na si Sir Angel Vivas. Maraming salamat po. Ubus na po ang ating oras. Sir Bart, magpaalam ka na po sa ating mga televiewers.
Thank you very much sa mga viewer natin. Nga pala, kung sinong gusto makipag-swap sa atin dyan, nandyan yung Facebook natin, tawagan lang kami. Okay?
At syempre maraming salamat sa lahat na nagbigay sa atin today. Kasama po natin ang IFP Manufacturing Corporation,
Okay.
'di ba?
Okay.
Ang ating mga pagkain dito sa harap ka-partners natin today. At syempre ako pa rin po ang nag-iisang pambansang sapsap ng bayan, Mayan Espayo San Rubia. Hanggang sa susunod na Sabado, makakasama niyo pa rin po kami dito pa rin po sa paboritong programa ng bawat negosyanteng Pilipino. Ito ang
Pinoy Swapping Barter Negosyo.